Hi there, I'm Ahmad. I hope you are all doing well. Did you ever think about why there is no any specific shortcut key for the filter, drop-down shadow, or other like blend if options or function keys without any assigning them? If you want to know how to use these keys with just shortcut, then keep watching the video. So this is my Photoshop screen. If I want to convert it into the smart object, I have to right click on this layer and convert it into smart object. I don't want to do that. I want to with my short key. So hold Alt or Option and press L. You see there is no any underline object on smart object. So I press S and again press S for the converted into smart object. And the layer is just converted into the smart object. Now I want to apply the drop shadow on it. Hold Alt or Option again, press L for the layer drop down menu, press Y for the layer style, and for the drop shadow press D because there is underline on the D for the drop shadow. And that's it. Adjust these values according to yourself and hit OK. And that's it. That's the way you can apply anything and on the layer style, on the filter. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share with the others and see you on the other day with other awesome tutorials. So until then, think great.